Wow, so smooth sky pink color. Here are 12 shades of colors.
The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one. The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Tick
Red
tock,
color.
tick tock.
Light blue color. Deep blue color. Dark
Hickory
blue
dickory
color.
dock. The bird looked at
Yellow
the clock.
color.
The clock struck two.
Black color.
Away she flew.
Purple color.
Hickory dickory dock. Tick
Orange
tock,
color.
tick tock.
Deep pink color. Light green color.
Hickory
Light
dickory
pink
dock.
color.
The dog barked at the clock.
And deep
The
green
clock struck
color.
three.
Start the video. Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw a beautiful flower in a very easy way. Here I am drawing the flower and then I will color it as rainbow flower. I will use all the colors. Let's follow me and try to draw with me.
Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck five. She went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock.
I completed to draw the flower. Now let's start to color it. You can use any kinds of color as you like. First one I am using yellow color. Yellow color, yellow color. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do
Hickory
you
dickory
do?
dock,
This is
tick
dark
tock,
yellow
tick
color.
tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Now I'm using deep pink color. Pink color, deep pink color. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? This is deep pink color. Now I'm using light blue color. Light blue color, light blue color. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? This is light blue color. And here I'm using light green color. Light green color, light green color. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? This is light green color. Let's use light pink color. Light pink color, light pink color. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? This is light pink color. Here I'm using yellow green color. Yellow green color, yellow green color. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? This is called yellow green color. And the last one I'm using deep purple color. Deep purple color, deep purple color. Where are you? Here I am, here I am. How do you do? This is deep purple color.